COVID-19 social distancing measures mean this may be safest Hajj ever. Coronavirus cases across the world have crossed 17.1 million worldwide. Coronavirus death toll rises to over 6,68,000. Hajj security forces arrest 244 people illegally entering holy sites. UN chief encourages Southeast Asia to recover better from COVID-19. The United States to withdraw nearly 12,000 American troops from Germany. China urges the European Union to stop Hong Kong interference. In Pakistan, Chairman NDMA said hospitals are being upgraded across the country to facilitate the COVID-19 phase.